Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about three things that smart investors know about Tesla stock. Of course, Tesla stock has been in the news a lot lately following Elon Musk's bid and purchase for Twitter. Tesla's been getting a lot of attention as sort of the neglected child as Elon Musk takes his attention for his new toy in Twitter and all the attention that that's getting. So let's look at three things about Tesla that smart investors know. First, the company has delivered exceptional revenue growth. Between 2012 and 2021, revenue has exploded from 413 million to 53.8 billion in 2021. That's incredible revenue growth. Tesla has a long-term goal of increasing vehicle deliveries by 50% annually. So even though it's reached this massive scale, it thinks it can grow by 50% per year annually from this point. Now, I don't know how realistic that target is, and in fact, I released a video, maybe I want to say a week ago, talking about this target and this 50% annual target and how Tesla might have to revise that lower because growing 50% annually from here on out may not be realistic considering all of the competition that's coming in and all the trouble that competition brings. Even though Tesla might still be the best in class, that still doesn't mean that competition doesn't pose a problem. Okay. So the second thing that Tesla investors know is that it has demonstrated economies in scale. Tesla's gross profit margin has expanded from 7.3% in 2012 all the way up to 25.3% in 2021. Those are very, very good economies in scale demonstrated in an industry that's very capital intensive. You got to spend billions of dollars building out manufacturing facilities, and you want to see a good return on that investment. And what I see so far from Tesla's gross profit margin expansion is that it is getting good return on that investment. It is making good progress on the learning curve, getting better at what it does. Economies in scale is a great aspect for any investment to have, but especially for a growth stock. If you're investing in a growth stock that has limited profits on the bottom line and is selling at expensive valuations, you definitely want to see some economies in scale because you want to see the potential for 5 years down the line, if its revenues keep growing, for those profit margins to keep expanding. And so Tesla has demonstrated that. And so that's great news for Tesla stock investors. And the final thing that I will say, the third thing that investors know about Tesla is that it has a strong customer connection. A lot of fans Tesla has, a lot of hypesters, a lot of people that like to promote Tesla, and that's great news for Tesla stockholders. Tesla boasts a net promoter score of 96. It's the highest among all of the companies I follow, and I follow a lot of companies. The NPS measures how likely a customer is to recommend the product to friends and family. This could partly explain why Tesla hasn't had to spend much money on sales and marketing. I don't think they spend any money on sales and marketing because they generate such good word of mouth. Nearly all of Tesla's customers would recommend the product to a friend or family member. That's really, really good if you're thinking about investing in Tesla stock. And if we look at the scale here of what is a good net promoter score, Tesla's score of 96 is almost at the maximum of 100. They're up in the region of excellent. And it's actually quite common. Many of the companies that I follow fall in the needs improvement range here in the negative side of the equation. So for Tesla to be boasting a score of 96 is really good for Tesla stock investors. And I know there's been a lot of news out about Elon Musk ruining his brand and all the controversy along with his acquisition of Twitter. But that's not, I don't see any evidence of that showing up yet in Tesla's brand recognition, in Tesla's net promoter score. So far, that's just been talk and rumor. I don't see that yet reflected in Tesla's NPS score. I don't see it reflected in Tesla's revenue growth, in its profit. So I don't see it reflected just yet. That isn't to say that it might not happen in the next few quarters. I don't know. I don't want to speculate on that. But for now, I haven't seen evidence of that in Tesla's customer connection. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.